Welcome to Kilowatt Hour on Livy channel. I have another video. I'm trying to do this is just something that if you have that you can do to your EV6, especially with the door handle. And if you have like a black car, all black, and you're having a difficulty trying to locate where the handlebars are. So like right now it's all black, and if it is pitch black and you can't see it, so this is what I decided to do. I bought this lime green duct tape. I know it's kind of tacky, but it kind of worked. Look at this. Kind of had a smart mark right here. I probably have to get that taken care of. And it kind of work. I kind of like it. It looks like the same lime green with the EV6 GT, the lime green color. I might even put that on the caliper too. I'll see how that works. But it looks good. So I'm about to go ahead and put it on the other door handles and see how that works. Please subscribe, like, and share the channel. Hit the thumbs up. It helps with the YouTube algorithm. It recommended this video to other viewers. If you're new to this channel, check out all my other videos as well. Some of them might be helpful to you. So with all that being said, let's go ahead and start the other side of the door handle. Just to let you know, I do not have all my tools with me. I misplaced them somewhere. So if you have some of those detailing tools that you can use, to make it look flush, that would be grateful. That would be good. So right now, it looks good. Lime green. And you can see during in the dark. Yes, it looks nice, lime green. So I'm gonna go to the other side and do the same thing. All right, just to let you know, I already wiped it. So just make sure you're using alcohol to do that. I think this is too short. All right, welcome back. I had to make a voiceover recording because I realized I lost the audio, and that's as a result of a Bluetooth wireless lavalier that I was using. It failed, so I had to do this recording all over the video. So pretty much the wrap on the door handle was working great so far, and as you can see, I have taped it on the vehicle, and it was able to cut it and redo it, and make sure that it fits properly, and try to make sure it folds all over, or a curve around the door handle, and it fits really good. It feels really good. Same thing when I went to the other side of it, to the next door. Same thing. I was able to cut the right size and trim it with the with a cutter, and trimmed it, and everything looks at. I love the way the color uh, ended up on the door handle, and I can clearly see during the night, especially when there's no light around the door. I'm able to see where the door handle is without trying to feel and see where the actual door handle. So but yeah, it feels really good. So this is just a hack that I try to do. So I mean, if you really want to do well, right now I'm using the duct tape. As I said, I was just trying to see. It looks a little bit rugged, but I am shopping for a glossy wrap. So once I get that, I might try to remove it and put it again, or redo it again. So, but it looks nice. It makes the color, I mean, the car looks really nice, when it comes to doing some mods on your vehicle. So this is just a minimal mods that you can do in your vehicle that's not going to affect anything. You can remove it at any time without anything. The glue shouldn't be that. It's not going to affect anything because it's just regular glue. But if you want to do something like this on your EV6 or Ioniq 5 or GV60, I mean, you don't have to use the kind of adapter that I use. You can always get the glossy wrap for your car handle, or maybe wrap your entire vehicle with a glossy wrap. So this is just the beginning. Who knows, I might decide to get a actual wrap and wrap my car. That's one thing I would love to do. Let me know what you think about this hack. That's what I'll call it. So if you think it is okay, or it's just I don't think I want to do that on my car, but it looks really nice. It just made the car stand out. So I kind of like it. I mean, this doesn't cost me a lot. I mean, I've seen some door handle wrap on eBay, I believe, maybe like $20 some or so. I'm not sure. I can't remember, but I know they were a little bit on the pricey side, and but this doesn't cost that much. I mean, I bought a duct tape. It's a big duct tape for like $3.99 or $3.59. I mean, I can always redo it again. Based on what I did, I didn't have the proper tool, so the edges were not as straight as supposed to be because I didn't have the wrapping tool to curve it and make sure it's this thick with what I used. As I said, it was tacky using the screwdriver. So but it worked, so let me tell me what you think on the comment. Thank you for the all your comments and suggestion and recommendation. Please don't forget to subscribe, like the channel, and hit the notification bell. This helped with the YouTube algorithm recommending this channel. So let me know what you think, if you'll be able to do this on your EV6. Alright, so but hey, so right now I'm going to the next one, which is the front driver side, and same thing, I was able to do that, and there was no issue. Everything went smooth. I was able to cut it right way there was, I mean, you know, as long as you use the right blade to cut it, it goes smooth like butter. You know, so you just have to be careful, make sure you don't mess up your car. You know, so all right. Thank you for watching. See you in another video. Stay safe, stay blessed. Bye bye.